Basic ESL lesson, Spelling in English. Spelling is the process of writing or naming the letters that form a word. It's essential because correct spelling helps us write and read better, improving our overall communication in English. To start, it's crucial to learn the English alphabet, which has 26 letters. Knowing and memorizing these letters is the first step. Practice the alphabet in the previous materials. Next, practice spelling simple words. For example, cat, C-A-T, dog, D-O-G, sun, S-U-N, book, B-O-O-K, fish, F-I-S-H. To improve your spelling skills, practice every day. Use flashcards with words on one side and their spellings on the other. Also, listen to words and try to repeat their spellings. With consistent practice, spelling words in English will become easier, helping you learn the language better. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement.